Hey guys, so my name is Lauren. This was my first semester as a social work major. I did not know what I was getting myself into with Social Work 300. I will say though, definitely don't believe the hype. It is pretty difficult. It is a lot of busy work. There is a lot of assignments that you have to stay on top of, but if you stay on top of them in a timely manner, there's no reason why you shouldn't be able to meet the due dates. There is a lot of useful information that you will earn out of this course. I will say that everything that you're doing is not just because maybe if you're not a social work major, you probably will feel like it is not that useful to you, but you will learn a lot of good research techniques and things that can help you with that. Learn how to process a lot of data, a lot of good resources out of the class overall. Miss MacArthur, she is one of a kind. It's a love-hate relationship that she has with all of her students, so she is there to help you at the end of the day. You do have to put forth the effort though. You can very well maintain an A in this class. What else do I want to say about this course? I will not miss it. But it was a good course. Definitely, it was valuable. I was able to maintain a beat throughout the entire semester and still maintain all my other classes. This one will take a little bit more of your time, but it is worth it in the end. It is worth it in the end, and you will feel good about yourself. Don't believe what everyone says about having to retake the course multiple times. I came in with the mindset that I'm only going to do it once, and it was honestly better that I didn't know what I was getting myself into, and it was just like, oh, that's just what we gotta do. Just do your assignments on a weekly basis and you will be okay. Also, Social Work 300, it will stress you out. Don't let it. Literally, you do have to breathe, you do have to take your time, and most of all, communicate with Miss MacArthur because she does see your efforts, and that is the big thing. As long as you're trying, you will be okay. That's the biggest thing, but you can't just not put forth any effort. You will not succeed that way. This will be one of the classes that you'll probably say you hate, but once it's over, it's over. We are coming to an end in our class. Very excited about that, but it's definitely doable. It's not impossible, and you can definitely get through it in one go round without having to retake it multiple semesters, and you honestly will learn something. It's not all for nothing. Some things will seem like, hey, why are we doing this? But ultimately it makes sense in the end. It all comes together. So that's Social Work 300.